Hey folks, Jan here from Wunderlich America, and today we've got something rugged and protective to talk about. The Wunderlich Fairing Protection Bars for your Ducati DesertX. These bars are more than just accessories. They are your Ducati shield against potential mishaps on and off the road. Now, here's what you need to know about these bars. There are two versions available, so listen up. One fits in combination with the standard Ducati engine protection skid plate, and the other pairs perfectly with the Ducati Offroad skid plate. A bit confusing, but have this in mind. Why should you consider these protection bars? Well, let me tell you. These bars are your preventive protection for the delicate fairing. The risk of damage is ever present, whether you maneuvering in a tight public spaces or hitting the off-road trails. Our fairing bars are designed to reliably protect the fairing and the area besides the water cooler, significantly reducing the risk of expensive damage. In the unfortunate event of a fall, the protective bars optimally distributes forces to the load-bearing mounting points, reducing force peaks, and that's very important. Now, here's the best part. The fairing guards don't just protect, they integrate well to the DesertX style, enhancing its striking appearance. Let's dive into the technical details. These bars are crafted from 25mm, 1-inch diameter, precision steel tubing. They undergo a specialized process from CNC tubing bending to clean welding, and they finished with a durable powder-coated surface. The bars are available in black, red or white to perfectly match your Ducati style. When you choose Wunderlich, you're getting more than just protection. You're getting a product that's built by a premium niche supplier in small batches, handcrafted and designed to be functional and integrated to your bike's layout. And it's proudly made in Germany. So, whether you're hitting the open road or taking on off-road adventures, the Wunderlich Fairing Protection Bars are a great addition. They're not just bars, they're a peace of mind. As always, hop on our bike finder on the Wunderlich America website, put in your year, make and model to see what kind of bikes we have to enhance your ride. If you have any questions, pick up the phone, call us at 828-489-3747 or shoot us an email at info@wunderlichamerica.com. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to speed on all future videos when they hit the channel. Stay tuned as we continue bringing you the industry's best motorcycle parts and accessories. I'm Jan, ride safe and ride in style and confidence with Wunderlich.